Welcome to Bit Bank for all bank tests and bank promotion exams. In this video, I explain the problems from 21 to 25 in percentages chapter. Now, 21st question. In an office, 40% of the staff is female, 40% of the female and 60% of the male voted for me. The percentage of votes I got was. Solution. Suppose let the number of total staff members is equal to 100. Out of these 100 staff members, 40% of the staff is female. So female is equal to 40. Out of 100, female members are 40. Then male members is equal to total staff minus female members, that is 100 minus 40, 60. And male is equal to 60. Now the question is 40% of the female and 60% of the male voted for me. So 40% of the female, that means 40% of 40 plus 60% of the male, 60% of 60. Got it now? So that is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled, 4 4s are 16 plus, and these two zeros, 0, 0 will be cancelled, 6 6 are 36. So 16 plus 36 is equal to 52. So the percentage of votes obtained is equal to 52%. This is the answer. 22nd question. Matthew scored 42 marks in biology, 51 marks in chemistry, 58 marks in mathematics, 35 marks in physics, and 48 marks in English. The maximum marks a student can score in each subject are 60. How much overall percentage did Matthew get in this exam? Solution. In brief, there are 5 subjects: biology, chemistry, mathematics, physics, English. So Matthew scored different marks in these 5 subjects. Now the maximum marks in each subject is equal to 60. So per subject 60 marks is the maximum marks. So for all 5 subjects, the maximum marks is equal to 5 into 60, 300. We have to find out the overall percentage in all subjects includes. Overall percentage did Matthew get in this exam? This is the question. So what is the formula? Marks, sum of the marks obtained, total of the marks obtained in all subjects divided by the maximum marks, sum of the maximum marks in all subjects into 100%. So that is equal to marks obtained in each subject total is 42 plus 51 plus 58 plus 35 plus 48 divided by maximum marks in all subjects 5 into 60 into 100%. So that is equal to 234 divided by 300 into 100%. After simplification we get 78%. So the overall percentage Matthew get in this exam is equal to 78%. 23rd problem. In a class of 40 students and 5 teachers, each student got sweets that are 15% of the total number of students, and each teacher got sweets that are 20% of the total number of students. How many sweets were there? Solution. So what is the total number of students? 40. Total number of teachers? 5. So one student got sweets that are 15% of the total number of students. So the sweets received by one student is equal to 15% of 40. That is equal to 6 sweets. So if one student received 6 sweets, then 40 students, the sweets received by 40 students is equal to 40 into 6. That is equal to 240 sweets received by all the students, all the 40 students. Now, each teacher got sweets that are 20% of the total number of students. So, one teacher, the sweets received by one teacher is equal to 20% of 40. That is equal to 8 sweets. If one teacher received 8 sweets, then total 5 teachers could receive how many sweets? 5 into 8. That is equal to 40 sweets. So all 40 students received 240 sweets. All 5 teachers received 40 sweets. So total number of sweets is equal to 240 plus 40. That is 280 sweets. This is the answer. 24th question. And please subscribe for all videos BitBank, the YouTube channel. Now 24th question. A water pipe is cut into 2 pieces. The longer piece is 70% of the length of the pipe. By how much percentage is the longer piece longer than the shorter piece? This is the question. Solution. There is a water pipe that is cut into 2 pieces. One longer piece, one shorter piece. Now the longer piece is 70% of the length of the pipe. So longer piece length is equal to 70. If longer piece length is 70, total length is 100. 100 minus 70, that is 30 is the shorter piece. So shorter piece is equal to 30. Now the question is, by how much percentage is the longer piece longer than the shorter piece? So the formula is longer piece minus shorter piece divided by shorter piece into 100%. That is equal to 70 minus 30 divided by 30 into 100%. That is 40 divided by 30 into 100%. After simplification, we get 400 by 3%. This is the answer. Question number 25. The prices of 2 articles are as 3:4. If the price of the first article is increased by 10% and that of the second by 4 rupees, original ratio remains the same. The original price of the second article is equal to how much? Solution. In brief, there are 2 articles. The ratio of the prices of these 2 articles is equal to 3:4. So first article price is increased by 10%. In percentage it is given. Second article price is increased by 4 rupees. The main condition is original ratio remains the same. That means if the first number is increased by 10%, must and should, the first article price is increased by 10%, the second article also must and should be increased by 10%. 10% increased, 10% increased, because original ratio remains the same. So we have to find out the original price of second article. So coming to second article, first it is raised by 10%, that is by 4 rupees. That means 10% of the second article price is equal to 4 rupees. See, if 10% is 4 rupees, then 100% total price 100% is equal to 10 into 10, 100, 10 into 4, 40. So the original price of the second article is equal to 40 rupees. For all the videos, please click the links which are given in the description part of this video, and please subscribe BitBang, the YouTube channel.